everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be guiding you through the process of how you can easily log in into the Synchrony online banking account. Now let's begin. First of all, open any browser on your PC that you have been currently in use of. Then open a new tab and on the search bar type in mysynchrony.com and press enter. You will be directed to the official web page of Synchrony Bank. Now here you can see the option of logging in here. You need to provide the username and the password in here to get logged in into your Synchrony online banking account. Just in case if you forgot the password or the username for your Synchrony Bank, you can click on the link below. Here you can see I forgot my username or password. You can click on forgot my username. With this, you will be directed to the another page for recovery of your username. Here for that you type in your account number, last 4 digits of your social security number and the date of birth. Then you click on continue and you will proceed to the recovery for your username of the bank account. It's the similar with the password. You click on password in here. Now to recover your password, you need to provide your username, the last 4 digits of your social security number and the date of birth. Once you provide all 3 details, you click on continue and you will proceed for the recovery of your password. Hope this video was useful and you have learned how easily you can log in into your Synchrony Bank account and also how you can recover your username and password for the bank. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.